Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make paneer burritos at home. First, gather your fresh paneer, large tortillas, and any vegetables you love, like bell peppers or onions. Next, prepare a delicious spice blend for marinating the paneer. Having all your ingredients prepped and ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This easy method will have you enjoying homemade burritos in no time. Now, let's get that paneer ready. Start by cutting about 250 grams of fresh paneer into small, bite-sized cubes. Then, marinate these cubes in a mixture of plain yogurt, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and your chosen spices for at least 20 minutes. This infuses the paneer with incredible flavor. Finally, sauté the marinated paneer in a pan until it's lightly golden brown and slightly crispy on the edges. With your paneer cooked, it's time to assemble these delicious burritos. First, gently warm your large tortillas for about 15 seconds each. This makes them much more pliable and easier to wrap without tearing. Next, spread a thin layer of your favorite chutney or a creamy sauce across the center of each tortilla. Then, generously fill them with the paneer, some cooked rice, black beans, and any fresh toppings like chopped cilantro or onions. Once filled, fold the sides of the tortilla inward, then roll it tightly from the bottom up to create a neat burrito. You can then grill or pan-fry your assembled burritos for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they are golden brown and slightly crispy. Serve them immediately with extra sauce or a side salad for a complete meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade paneer burritos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.